What you doing? Look. Woo. Ain't no daggone woo. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 8. Really day 2 for me. Neither here nor there. Got a little late start this year. As I told you guys, I am transitioning to working at home. Excuse my lashless face. I'm kind of like bouncing back and forth between doing my makeup and working. Just, so that I feel like something for the day. Opposed to, just sitting like a lump. Excuse my unmade bed. There's a peach back there. Are there any of you guys who work at home? Like, how do you manage? Like, are you able to manage your home and work time? It's weird for me. I don't know. It's strange. Anyway, I'm glad I'm at home. I actually, I'm on a hybrid schedule. I'm at home 2 days and at home 3 days, in office 2. But I am at home today. There's just some things going on, with my family, and I really just needed to be home and be accessible, all of that jazz. I mentioned, if you follow me on social media, there are some things going on. Just my stepfather was allegedly murdered. He is from Nashville, Tennessee, and there's a pending investigation. So there's just a lot of emotions going on right now. So just being at work and trying to fake it till I make it just wasn't what I wanted to do today. I did it yesterday, and it was just kind of hard. But this is my stress cat. I had another one. I had a pink one, and I tore her up. So I had to get another one. I actually really like this. I don't know if it has like slime or whatever in it, but it's really, really good. I like it. It helps with stress. But I'm going to work a little bit, and then I'll come back to you guys, if I do anything interesting. We're going to the Christmas parade today, so I'll get some of that footage. But yeah, I'm just trying. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a minute. Wonderful angle. Just kidding. So I was going to put on my lashes for the day, and I was like, I don't think I've shown this. So I wanted to show you this because I don't think people know how serious I am about these lashes. But I think I should show you guys. So let me move my keyboard out the way. So this is a quarter of the lashes that I have collected from the Dollar Tree. Now, hear me out. Dollar Tree lashes are just so good. Like, this was one that I think it came out around Halloween, and it's called the Feathery Cluster Long. There's one other style. Somebody please send help. There's one other style like this. Let me see if I can find it. It looked to be a Halloween style, and I only found it at like one store, and then I think I looked up and found 2 other pairs, but hang on. Okay, so here it is. This is also a feathery cluster long, but it looks different. Like, do you see what I'm talking about? This one is more gathered at the band, and then this one is more feathery. Neither here nor there. I got 4 of these pairs, and this is my last pair. Like, this is like a coveted, I'm only going to wear like on a special occasion, like a birthday or like my wedding. But there's certain like styles that I really like that I will hoard, that I'll hoard, and I'm going to show you what I mean. And so here's another pair of the feathery cluster long. And then they came out with a, like a zodiac one, and this is Virgo. Virgo was my favorite. They had I feel like, this one was called like Wild something, and it's called Wispy Crisscross. Okay, so listen. So these are the ones that I keep in my drawer, like when I'm like getting ready to go to work or whatever. I have them here. Easy access. Yada, yada. Okay, and this is 2, 4, 6, 8. This is 10 pairs. 11 pairs, including my coveted Rosa. Are they called Rosa? And Day of the Dead Rosa. Okay? So, this is where the this is where the problem is, okay? And I don't want you guys to judge me. So I got all of the feathery cluster long in the written in the stars that I showed you. So I have 4 more pairs, just like the 2 I showed you. And then I have these. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 30 pairs of lashes. I don't need to buy another pair of lashes, but I can guarantee you if they come out with another line and they have just a lash like this, I'm going to get them. Just someone please send me to Dollar Tree Lash Anonymous. Okay, bye. All right, so it is lunchtime. I'm just having a salad with cheese, cucumbers, tomatoes, a lemon wedge, and a cracker. Just had to have 1 cracker. So, typically I like to do like a lemon moment on my salad. Something about it, it's something I've been doing for years. It just gives it a fresh, like, I don't know. If you like lemon and you're into salads and you can eat salads at this point in your journey, give it a try. Let me know what you think. Drop a lemon down in the comment section down below if it isn't something that you do or that you would like to try. But yeah, I'm eating this undressed. I like undressed salads. A lot of times the moisture from the lettuce and other things do enough for me. I just put a little bit of salt and a lot of black pepper. I like the fat pepper flakes. The fat peppers. So it just, it's delish. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat lunch and then I'm gonna get back to work. I really like working at home because, I just have access to fresh food really quickly and I don't have to meal prep as much. Yeah, I like this. It's lunchtime. Hello, lunchtime. And this is what I mean by the lemon. Poor keyboard. But I just squeeze it on. Get all that lemony goodness on there. Salt and pepper. Maybe a little bit of garlic powder. Listen, let me go ahead and eat this cracker. See y'all in a minute. All right, you guys, here is the finished salad. I ended up putting a little bit of ranch on it because Nina was not feeling the tomatoes, nor was she feeling the salt and pepper lemon salad. She was like, ruh, 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 ruh. And I was like, all right, girl. All right, girl. I just wanted to show you guys what I've eaten because I know when I see people eating and they show like, oh, this is what I'm eating today. And then you don't see how much they ate. So I ate about 1/3 of it and I'll put this in the refrigerator and kind of pick at it at the rest of the day, just as long as it stays crisp. If it gets soggy, Hey y'all, so I have 30 minutes left on my lunch break. So I am going to hop over to the thrift store, which is like 5 minutes from my house. I realized that my niece, who is coming with us to the Christmas parade, doesn't have any Christmas themed shirts or anything. So I'm gonna try and find her something there. I love thrift stores, and a lot of times you can find really nice stuff for really good prices. And this thrift store is typically pretty on par with their quality. So I'm gonna hop in there and see if I can't find anything and rush back so that I can get back within my 30-minute time frame. So you guys wish me luck that I find something. If I find something, I'll show you guys what I found, because I got to throw it in the washer and everything before we head out tonight. So whew, all right. Made it to the thrift store in about 7 minutes, so we're gonna pull up and see what I can find. So this is the outfit that I got, and it was about $5. So excuse my unmade bed. Because this one was actually half off. So this one, the shirt was $2.29. So bargain. My sister is actually here with my niece, so let's go see them. Look who is looking adorable in her new outfit that we got for like $5. Say hello, Clover. Eat. She's eating a banana and watching the Octonauts. Watching Octonauts? Octonauts. So we are ready to go. I'm waiting for our third party to join. I got these really cool earrings from Dollar General for $1. Wait. What? You better work. Okay. Watch them not work. I'm gonna be real irritated. Okay. So there's one. And there's two. I'll be out there styling and profiling. What you doing? Look. Ain't no daggone woo. Hey y'all, so we are on our way to the Christmas parade. Running late, of course. But still going to be okay because we're going to get there. I live so far out from the city that it takes forever to get to where we're going. So hopefully where we get, we'll be able to catch it right as it comes around. So, all right. Talk to y'all in a second. She don't like the loud sounds.
Merry Christmas.
She gonna stand still now.
made it home and I wanted to show you guys. So this is our advent calendar gifting that I did for the kiddo. And I also did it for my honey, but my honey only got every other day. So he gets a gift every day. Small little stuff like toothbrushes or pop sockets. Like this right here is cupcake mix and icing. I did a video on it just showing you guys, you know, what it is that I did. So I'll record him opening his gift. What is this? It's your day 8 gift.
Yeah, well, it's day 8. I don't know if it's in.
Okay. Yep. It's a craft for you to make your own Christmas tree.
Yeah, I already got it.
You gotta decorate it yourself. Use some hot glue. No, this is different. Hot glue. Decorate it. It is a craft. How do you feel about crafts? They'll get better. You got some other stuff coming. Just take your time. I know it's weird. Okay, your turn, sir.
Toothbrush.
Yes. Special toothbrush.
Yay, I always wanted this. Thank you so much.
No, do you see the specialness behind it? Read it.
It's a 360 charcoal toothbrush.
What else does it do?
Brushes teeth.
Oh my gosh.
It says, yeah, what is this?
Let me see it. I'll tell you guys.
Is this an electric toothbrush?
Yes, it is it is a charcoal infused Colgate toothbrush with sonic power pulsating something or other.
I always wanted that. Thanks, hon.
You're welcome, hun. All right, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We had an okay time. It was a Christmas parade. That's my Christmas tree. If you guys like the video and you would like to see more, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, become a member of my family. We would love to have you here, right?
Yeah.
And if you have not and you would like to, head on over to Facebook, my Facebook group, One Bite at a Time, where you can join the conversation. It's a safe place to talk about hard things, not just weight loss surgery related. All right, you guys, I love you to the moon and back, and I will check you out in the next video. Bye.